Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys some super amazing dollar store home decor pieces. I swear, these pieces are so beautiful. I'm absolutely obsessed with them. They seriously look like you could have bought them from an actual home decor store, and honestly, you would have probably been paying triple the price. So all these pieces are $4 or under, and they're also all from the Dollarama store, which I believe is just a Canadian store. I'm not 100% sure on that, but yes, all from the Dollarama. And they're all seriously so amazing, so I think we should just get right into it. So the first thing that I want to show you guys is this gorgeous cake pan or dessert display, whatever you want to call it. Like, this is honestly stunning. I'm so obsessed with this. If you were to get something like this at Walmart or IKEA or any store like that, you'd probably be paying around 15 bucks, and I believe this was $4. So this is such a good steal. We haven't made any cake lately, but what we've been doing is putting cookies in here, and I've also seen a lot of people, what they'll do is they won't use this for any food, but they'll use it for like a flower display. So they'll put like a small wreath inside here. If I can find any pictures, I'll pop them up on screen of what I'm talking about, but that's super pretty too. But obviously you can just use this as a normal cake pan. Super great quality as well. Honestly, there's nothing bad to say about this. I absolutely love it. So this next piece is another kitchen accessory, and it kind of goes along with the cake pan. So it is just a little bread box. This is seriously so cute. So it kind of does have the same wood detail as the cake pan did, but also I just want to say that this did come just plain. It didn't have the bread lettering on it. We just went out and got, you know, little letter stickers and stuck them on there just to kind of, you know, spice it up a little bit. Like I said with the cake pan, if you were to get this at Walmart, IKEA, you would be paying probably double, maybe even triple the price. I just love this like wood with the white. I think it looks so sleek, very classic, and we do have a lot of like black detail in our kitchen, so that's why we added the black lettering. This is seriously such good quality, you guys. Like, you would never know that this is from the dollar store. And also this was $4, I believe, same as the cake pan, but well worth $4 for sure. So next I want to talk about their little wooden letter designs that they have. So I have 4 here to show you guys, so I'll start out with this one first. So this one is just the kitchen one, and then we also have the Believe. I have this one that says Home Sweet Home on it, and last but not least I have the Family is Made of Love and Laughter piece right there. I think the kitchen and the Believe signs are my favorite. I just love how it's cursive. I think it looks so pretty, and I will show you up close. It's just a white and light wood design there, and these two are really nice as well. They do have like the wooden bottom on them there, so I'll show you a little bit up close up. That is what they look like. Super pretty. I do know the exact prices for these two. These were both $1.50 each, and I want to say that these were probably around the same, maybe $2, which is honestly amazing. You can put these pretty much anywhere around your house. Obviously we have this one in the kitchen, and we do have this one in our like entertainment center. Okay, so this next thing kind of goes along with the wooden letters, but it is actually just a sign, and it does have a little rope piece there if you want to hang it up. I thought this was gorgeous. It does give you that like farmhouse kind of vibe to it, and it does say Home Sweet Home on it. So here's a little bit of close-up for you guys. Super pretty. This one again was $1.50, so very cheap, very well worth it. Mine is a little bit beat up, so if you saw that, sorry, but it just fell off the wall, so it kind of scratched the paint off a little bit, but still super cute. The whole farmhouse vibe has been very trendy lately, and you would be surprised at how many pieces you can find at the dollar store that are so farmhouse. Actually, this next piece I'm going to show you guys, so excited about. I almost freaked when I saw it. It is very farmhouse, and it's amazing. I still cannot believe that I found this at the dollar store. Look at this, you guys. So pretty, oh my gosh. So it says, what I love most about my home is who I share it with. So it's kind of like a shadow box design, and then it has the really cute flower right there, and the whole background is so farmhouse, the gingham. This one was probably around $4. I'm not 100% sure, but $4 for this, I would definitely recommend. Like, that is well worth it to me. They did also have different designs with different sayings. They had one with a blue background. I'm just not the biggest fan of blue, so I went with the black, but they also did have like a lavender color flower as well. I love the little like burlap ribbon as well. I think that's gorgeous. Honestly, this is probably one of my favorite pieces in this entire haul. I just absolutely love it. Next thing I want to show you guys is this little wicker basket right here. This is so gorgeous. Has little bows on the side there. It's just like a black and a light wicker, and then it does have just the black material inside there. So talking about farmhouse being super trendy, wicker has been super trendy. I know personally myself, I've been all about wicker lately. Absolutely love it. And I was at, what store was it? Home Sense, I think it was. And they have wicker baskets like this, pretty much kind of like the exact same style for like 20 bucks. And I think this was probably $3 or $4. This is so cute. You can do so many things with this. You can leave it like this. You can put stuff in it. We have this in the laundry room, and we actually keep like a potted flower in it. What I love about going to the dollar store is that they almost always have different baskets like this. So if you aren't exactly into this kind of style, they pretty much always have different styles there. Okay, next we just have this gorgeous marble planter. I mean, just like look at this up close. So pretty. This was, I still have the tag on the bottom, this was $3, so really good price for this guy. I absolutely love this. I used to be super into marble, not so much anymore, but I think this just looks very classic and very sleek. Sometimes you can get marble and it kind of looks a little bit cheapy, but I love how this isn't like overly marbled, you know what I mean? Like it's very simple. And also if you're not into the marble, they always have different kinds there, so if you're looking for a cute little planter, hit up your local dollar store. So this next piece here actually goes along with the marble planter. So it's just a little plant ball. This is seriously so freaking cute. Basically what I do with this is I take the planter, I take the plant ball, and bam, there you go. This is awesome if you're somebody that's not really into, you know, getting a whole flower arrangement together. You can just take one of these, stick it on there, and it looks so good. So absolutely love this. I actually have two more over there that I got from Winners probably 2 years ago, and they were around 10 bucks each, and I think this one was probably $2, so really good steal. So going along with the whole farmhouse trend, I have this piece right here. It's just a mason jar with some like yarn inside. It's just a little decor piece, very cute. So it says gardening, love your garden, and then it also has the same thing on the back there in French. I'll do a little up close for you guys so you can see. It's just very simple, very cute. You honestly just can do so much with this. You can put it pretty much anywhere you want. I just love mason jars. I don't know what it is about them, but I think they look so cute and very like homey. I don't know if that makes sense, but I just love them. So this next thing is just a tea light holder. Look how cute this is. Sorry, it's a little bit loud, you guys, but it is seriously the cutest thing ever. So that's what it looks like there up close, and then you just have the tea light inside there like that. So it does have the piece right here if you do want to hang it, but we just keep it on the shelf just sitting like this, and I think it looks so pretty. They did have these in other colors as well if you're interested. They had a black, they had like a really pretty light pink color, like pastel. They had like a pastel blue. I think they had a like pastel green. So yeah, a bunch of different colors, but we just went with the white because honestly, white can pretty much go with anything. Okay, so these next two things are super adorable. So they are just tiny little cacti or succulents, whatever you want to call them. So the first one is definitely like a cactus style, and it just has like little rocks in there and the burlap ribbon. So cute. And then we just have this one here, which is definitely more of the like succulent style. Like these are so cute. I honestly cannot get over how adorable these are. These were probably like $1.50 each, maybe $2. I think these can pretty much work in like any room that you have, so yeah, love these. Okay, and my last piece that I want to talk about for today is just another little potted plant. This one I absolutely love because I love the like muted kind of frosted look, and it does have the same effect on the planter as well. I'm just not a big fan of when fake plants are that very like bright shiny green. That's why I really like this one. I think it's so pretty. The dollar store has so many different kinds of fake plants and fake flowers, which I love because I can't keep anything alive like at all. I don't know what's wrong with me, but real plants are just not for me. Also, I just wanted to point out that the fake flowers you see back here in my vase, they're also from the dollar store. I get literally all of my fake flowers from the dollar store. They seriously have so many different kinds. This one I believe was around $4, but I honestly just love it so much, and I think it's such a cute little piece. Okay guys, so that was everything in my little dollar store decor haul. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this. It makes me so happy that you guys have been loving the dollar store videos because I seriously love filming them. I love the dollar store. I'm just a dollar store fanatic, so it makes me really happy that you guys are enjoying them as well. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big like and subscribe because I would really appreciate it. Also, don't forget to go check me out on Instagram. I'm always posting on there. So if you want to keep up with me, I definitely recommend going and checking that out and giving it a follow. It's always down below. Anyways, I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!